At this hour, a federal judge in Milwaukee is weighing whether to overturn the conviction of a former Milwaukee County judge, Hannah Dugan. A jury convicted Dugan of felony obstruction back in December, and today her attorneys argued an 11-hour plea before her sentencing. 12 News political director Matt Smith was there.
Former Milwaukee County Judge Hannah Dugan leaving the federal courthouse in Milwaukee Wednesday.
Ms. Dugan, excuse me, are you confident that the judge will...
Her first time back inside the building since December, when a jury convicted her of felony obstruction for helping an undocumented immigrant evade federal immigration officials attempting to make an arrest inside the Milwaukee County courthouse. Today, Dugan's legal team argued that conviction should be overturned, or at the very least, granted a new trial. And it's all based on a new court decision in Virginia. The Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals recently overturning a case that questions what constitutes an official ICE proceeding, a key part of the prosecution's case and the statute Dugan was convicted on. The lone court of appeals in the country to address the issue has said that's not valid and the conviction is overturned. Dugan attorney Steve Biskupic told the judge today, "We ask you to do the same in this case," arguing that what happened inside the courthouse last year was a law enforcement action and not a proceeding. U.S. District Judge Lynn Adelman weighing the new arguments. "Wouldn't you agree that your way of defining proceeding is a long operation?" Adelman asked federal prosecutors. "Context matters," they responded. "So a proceeding could be a couple years?" Adelman asked. "Sure," prosecutors said. "It could be a couple years. It could be a couple minutes." The decision now all in the hands of Judge Adelman. Today inside the federal courthouse, offering no clues on when that decision will come, but expected in writing in the coming days or weeks. Outside the federal courthouse in Milwaukee, I'm Matt Smith, WISN 12 News.
Let's go through the series of events here. The FBI first arrested Dugan at the Milwaukee County Courthouse in April of 2025. A jury found her guilty in December of obstructing federal immigration agents. Dugan resigned from the bench a couple weeks later. She was supposed to be sentenced today, but last week a federal judge postponed that hearing instead of saying he would hear the defense's arguments for a new trial. The man Dugan is accused of helping, right here on your screen, Eduardo Flores Ruiz, was deported after pleading guilty to being in this country illegally.